So I want you to pass this prayer onto someone else. In your mind, visualize this person's face. Visualize them standing in front of you. Place your hands on your knees with your palms upwards. Feel yourself holding their hands. And repeat, I pray for you to find strength for whatever it is that they need strength for right now. Just one person in your life. And pray for them. Now I have my second prayer for you. I pray that you heal any pain that you have not yet healed. Strength is the courage to break through our challenges. Healing is the process of cleansing and purifying our challenges. I pray for you to heal any pain you have not yet healed. I pray for you to heal any relationship that is causing you pain. I pray for you to heal any wound that is still open. And receive those prayers of mine. Know that I believe them, know that I feel them, know that I mean them. Allow them to come into your heart. And now you again pray for healing for someone different in your life. Choose another person in your life that you'd like to pray for their healing. And repeat 3 statements of your own style in your own prayer form of, I pray for you to heal. Again, visualize that person. See them in front of you. You can hold their hands, put your arm around them. And pray for them. It could have even been someone you haven't spoken to in a while. And say those words, I pray for you to heal. And now, I'm going to pray for I'm going to pray that you all find joy and love. I pray you find the deepest joy of the soul and the heart. And I pray you find the truest and realest love you deserve. I pray that you find meaning in every day. And I pray that you find love within yourself. I pray that you learn from everything. And I pray that you discover the most powerful love. Whenever your mind wanders, just gently and softly bring it back to praying for someone who you know needs love in their life. Send them love. Send them all the love that you possibly can with your prayers. So repeat after me. I pray for you to find joy and love. I pray for you to find love. And this may even be to someone who's wronged you or hurt you. It may be someone you haven't spoken to in a long time. It may be someone you don't even know that well anymore, but you want to pray for them because you want to heal that relationship. So this third prayer is praying for love. So you prayed for someone for strength. You prayed for someone to heal, you prayed for someone for love. And I prayed for all of you in that way too. This way we create a circle of prayer where you have no idea who's praying for you, and that person may not know that you're praying for them, but we're all healing at the same time. Thank you so much for being part of this circle of prayer. Breathing in calm, balance, ease, stillness, and peace. And breathing out strength, healing, joy, and love. Feel all of the love and wishes coming to you. Receive them with an open heart. And again, feel your love going towards that person, connecting towards them, healing their heart, healing their mind. See your love and your joy and your strength, giving strength to their intuition, giving love to their heart, and giving healing to their mind. And when you're ready, come back to your natural breathing pattern. Breathing in calm, balance, ease, stillness, and peace. And breathing out calm, balance, ease, stillness, and peace. This is your time, your space. I'm genuinely so grateful to each and every one of you. Genuinely praying for each and every one of you. Thank you so much. And when you're ready, in your own time, at your own pace, you can gently and softly open your eyes. I want to apologize for some of the music challenges there, Facebook. Sorry about that. I was playing it off a different device today. I know it's a bit loud, so thank you for sticking with me. Everyone on Instagram, how is that for you? Everyone on Facebook, how is that for you? Loving all the positive energy. Thank you for this most powerful present. Thank you, Maurice. Thank you for this amazing experience. Pray for you too. Thank you. Mel Jenkins says, thank you, Jay. I feel so empowered. Thank you. Sonna says, praying and healing is the best prescribed medicine. So powerful. Thank you. Amazing. It was great. Thank you, says Kat. Okay, well, if you want to stay on live Instagram, I want to reach out to some of you. I want to request to come live with me. So if you've loved these meditations, I've loved surprising a few of you. So please request to go live with me. I'm going to add a few of you in. And Facebook, stick around. It's always fun to be listening in on the conversation and seeing who we find today. Scott Marcus, thank you so much for all the love, man. I'm so glad that you're here. Okay, I'm going to see who's requested to go live with me. So send a request right now. And see who wants to go live. Whose hand did you hold? Who did you send strength to? Anto, good to see you here, man. Thanks for being here. Sherry, thank you. Trudak, thank you as well. Sandy, thank you. Okay, let's see who wants to go live with me and say hello. Okay, I'm looking down, seeing who wants to go live. I wanted to add someone, but I can't add them because it says unable to join. Interesting. Okay, let's find someone who's able to join today. Let's have a look. There's so many of you. This is great. 1 second, let me see. It keeps updating. It's so hard. Every time I think I found someone, it keeps going back to the start of the list. Okay, here we go. Okay. I think this is Victoria. Let's see if this works. Is it connected? It's connected.
How cool. Hi.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Where are you?
I'm in LA actually. Well, San Gabriel Valley.
Oh, cool. Okay, so not that far, not that far. Have you been joining the meditations often?
Yes.
Awesome.
It's I haven't done every single day, but I've done most of them. So it's amazing. Like today, like I cried because I was just like, it was amazing. I can't explain it.
That's awesome. I'm so glad. Thank you for joining. Your name's Victoria, right?
Yes, I'm Victoria.
Okay. Amazing, amazing. And what else have you been doing during quarantine to get through it?
Just trying to keep busy, like trying to constantly keep my mind doing something.
Yeah.
And then when I feel like I need that time for myself, like just to shut off, I do like this little kind of phone detox where I'll like leave my phone for like 2 hours and not even touch it. I have like a million messages, but I'm just like, no.
Amazing. That sounds fun.
It's too much.
That sounds like a really good move.
Yeah, but you know, I actually went to one of your seminars when you were here in LA. Well,
yeah.
You're still in here in LA, but yeah. when you did one in downtown, that was amazing. I actually found my little card of like what you need to work on with yourself.
Yeah,
and
what
I was
was your
just
word?
like, my word was communicate.
Oh, amazing. I love that.
Yeah. So I was like, woo!
Thank you for coming to the event. Yeah, that was the first show I've ever done that was my own show. So I've spoken on stages tons, but thank you for turning up. That means a lot to me. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no, thank you so much for everything you're doing. Like, this experience has been amazing, and it's, you know, I feel like quarantine has hit a lot of people in such like a difficult way that doing something like this, I feel, has helped so many people. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.
No, that's very kind of you. No, thank you. I just, you know, I feel really grateful that when quarantine first started, I was like, look, I can't sing like John Legend, but I can teach meditation. So I'll start there.
It's okay. I can't either.
Yeah. I was like, you know, I feel like now's the time. And that's why today's meditation was all about like, we feel like we can't do a lot right now, but we don't realize how powerful it is to pray for someone.
Yeah, definitely.
And it's such a powerful thing, and we underestimate it because we think, well, what's going to happen? But energy is so powerful, and just sitting there thinking of someone. It's why when someone's really missing you, you can feel it, right? You know what it's like, or you can think about someone, and all of a sudden they call you, and so or they text you, or whatever it is. Yeah, exactly. So, but yeah, thank you, Victoria. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I hope we get to meet one day soon.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Stay safe, and I'll see you hopefully tomorrow. I'll see you at the next meeting tomorrow.
Yes, definitely.
Awesome. Thanks, Victoria.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Bye. You guys are the best. Absolutely love you guys. All right, I'm gonna find someone else. Let's find our next person. I appreciate when you guys are so surprised. It's cool. Let's have a look. Who is coming on next? Okay, scrolling down. Okay. Let's see, this is Jenny, I think. See if it works.
I cannot believe that I'm on here.
How's it going? Where are you?
It's going amazing. I've been so enjoying everything that you've been doing. I actually spoke about you today on my live. I've been doing little interviews.
Oh, amazing. Thank you for doing that. I really appreciate it.
So I saw you in LA for the Tony Robbins event, and I was too shy to say hello, but I'm just so grateful to be on here.
Next time, don't be shy to say hello. Come and say hello.
Well, we're here. I cannot believe this happened in my mind before it happened.
I love that. Your name's Jenny, right?
Yeah.
And where are you, Jenny? Are you in LA?
I live on Long Island in New York.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing. Well, yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in, and tell me about what you were doing on your life.
So I've just been interviewing people that have really inspired me, and people that are doing great things to inspire others. So
amazing.
I've never loved anything more, honestly.
That's awesome. I love hearing that. Absolutely love hearing that. That's beautiful. Thank you, Jenny. And have you been joining quite a few of our meditations?
Yeah, I try to get on every day. I start work kind of late here in New York, so it's beautiful that I have, you know, my mentors to learn from before I go into work, and it's just been such a blessing. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Jenny. So nice to meet you. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you again tomorrow, and hopefully I'll see you when I visit New York.
I'll be there.
So
and
thanks,
let's do
thank
it.
you. Bye.
Love you. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, Jenny. Awesome. All right, let's do one more person. Okay, let's do one more person. Okay, looking. Okay, Matt. I see you yet. Wait, it seems to be loading. Oh, my connection's bad. Matt, can you see me? We can't see you. Oh, there we go. Hey, Matt, how's it going?
Hey, dude.
I don't think it's mine. Matt, is your connection bad or is my connection bad?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm in Vancouver,
Again.
in this too, so it's absolutely